So, the next topic is various committees and their responsibility. कोई भी काम शुरू करते हैं या कोई भी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हम सेटअप करते हैं या फिर हर जगह अपने स्कूल में ही या कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हर जगह डिफरेंट कमिटीज़ होती हैं जो अपना खुद का अलग अलग काम संभालती हैं, विच होल क्रिएट्स अ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और विच होल लीड्स टू अ सक्सेसफुल output. So here are various committees for organizing track and field meet sports. So first is the administrative director, then comes the executive committee, and then comes the organizing committee for games and sports, which organizes the different committees like publicity committee, boarding and lodging, reception, decoration and ceremony, transportation, grounds and equipment, committee for entertainment and refreshments, committee for officials, announcement committee, first aid committee, finance committee. These are the certain committees which are important while we are organizing a tournament. So let's talk about them. फर्स्ट इज़ पब्लिसिटी कमेटी. अब लोगों को पता कैसे चलेगा कि कुछ टूर्नामेंट होने वाला है, तो कैसे उन तक ये न्यूज़ पहुंचेगी. सो द मेन ड्यूटी इज़ टू एडवर्टाइज द स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट. द पब्लिसिटी कमिटीज़ main duty is only and only to advertise the sports event. It's on their hand, or it's under their rules and regulations which they have got, that they can advertise anywhere they want, in newspapers, in televisions, putting on hoardings, anything, display boards, or sending notices, displaying notices in front of every stadiums or grounds or schools where sports is available. There are many types from where they can do publicity of their tournament. Second comes the transportation committee. अब बाहर से लोग आएंगे, ऑफिशियल्स आएंगे, स्टूडेंट्स, टीम्स, कॉम्पिटिटर्स, umpires, referees, everyone will come. So how will they manage to come from the railway station or bus station or airport, and how will they manage to come from there to the area where the event or where the tournament is going to happen? So it's the responsibility of the tournament authority, or that tournament authority which is organizing the tournament, to send the transport, help the people to reach their specific points, their tournament points, their event places. Its main responsibility is to make necessary arrangements for transportation. The third is boarding and lodging committee. Its main responsibility is making necessary arrangements for providing accommodation and serving meals to the sportspersons and officials. So there are, as many of you must have participated in tournaments, so you know that there are different mess, or there are different facilities which are taken by the tournament authority to provide you the meals, or to tell you where you have to stay, because it is not possible that where your event, it is not always possible that only you will get a place to reside or take rest. Many times this happens that the place where your tournament is happening and the place where your room is given to you, they have a very big distance between them. So it's their responsibility to leave you there, bring you there. This comes in transportation committee and boarding and lodging committee both. Not only sports persons, but where the officials and where the parents have to stay, which we come from the teams and which come with the sports persons, all is under the responsibility of the authority which is organizing the tournament. Now, decoration and ceremony committee. It is responsible for the decoration of sports arena and stadium. It is also responsible for making necessary arrangements for opening ceremony, victory ceremony, etc. ये जो कमेटी है, हमारे कोई स्पोर्ट्स के इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे ट्रैक एंड फील्ड में ट्रैक्स, उनको उनकी क्लीनिंग, उनकी वॉशिंग, सिंथेटिक ट्रैक्स होते हैं तो उनकी वॉशिंग, डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स में डिफरेंट इक्विपमेंट्स यूज़ होते हैं तो उनको उनकी जगह पे रखना, क्योंकि टूर्नामेंट्स हैं तो ये उस कमेटी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। और ये कमेटी का काम ही है स्पोर्ट्स एरेना और स्टेडियम को डेकोरेट करना, डेकोरेट इन द सेंस टू मेक इट perfect for the competitions. This committee also arranges opening ceremony, victory ceremony. We have a opening and closing ceremony for every tournament, from small to big tournaments. We have a opening and closing ceremony, and these are very grand things. Closing ceremony is basically a very grand thing, very grand occasion. So these all are arranged by decoration and ceremony committees. And then when we come for our medals, trophies, certificates, this all is arranged by decoration and ceremony committee. Number 5, grounds and equipment committee. This committee is responsible for preparing grounds or laying out the track and field etc. डेकोरेशन ऊपर वाली कमेटी करती है, ग्राउंड्स एंड इक्विपमेंट कमेटी अगर कोई इक्विपमेंट नहीं है, कोई अपरेटस नहीं है या फिर कुछ टूटा है, कुछ डैमेज है तो उसे जल्दी से रिपेयर करना, सब सही करना, क्योंकि टूर्नामेंट के टाइम ऐसी गलती हो तो दैट इज़ नॉट acceptable by anyone because it can lead to various injuries if the equipments are not good. So it's their responsibility to have a good and perfect equipments during tournament. Next is decoration. Next is, I think I have repeated it, decoration and ceremony committee. Next is reception committee. Cut this one, right? Cut this one. Now next is reception committee. The members of this committee are responsible to welcome the chief guests at the opening and closing ceremony. When we talk about the grand openings and grand closing ceremonies, then they become grand not only because of their performances and the teams. Yes, the teams come so that it becomes a grand occasion. If teams will not only come, then how will it become occasion? How can we say it occasion? But officials or chief guests are, we can say, not important, but the authorities or the people, or we can say everywhere in the world, it's good to invite someone who is at a high post. This feels good and this also motivates the sports persons and motivates everyone who comes who attends the opening and closing ceremony. Now comes committees on entries and programs. अब हम कहीं जाएंगे कंपटीशन में तो वहाँ हमें हमारी एंट्री करानी होती है, प्रोग्राम सेट कैसे होता है वो हमें पता करना होता है। एंट्रीज़ में बहुत टाइम लगता है, इवेंट में एंट्री, रूम्स में एंट्री। तो दिस कमेटी सेंड्स एंट्री फॉर्म टू वेरियस इंस्टीट्यूशंस। हम लोग फॉर्म्स भरना शुरू कर देते हैं ना, जब कोई भी कंपटीशन आना होता है तो वो इस कमेटी के अंदर आता है। कमेटी ऑन एंट्रीज एंड प्रोग्राम्स, दिस कमेटी सेंड्स ऑल द फॉर्म्स about the tournament that you can fill these forms to participate in this tournament. It also arranges seats for guests and spectators. अब एंट्री करवाइए, एंट्री सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स तो करवाते नहीं है, गेस्ट और स्पेक्टेटर्स की भी एंट्री ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि we cannot let anyone inside the stadium or inside the arena which is unknown to the thing and which can lead to any bad or any misleading activity that if a person does not know. And it's a simple thing that entries are important because only limited seats are available in a stadium, and where there is crowd, then you all know that कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ तो होनी होनी है, कुछ ना कुछ लड़ाई झगड़ा, मिसहैपनिंग्स, everything happens. So it is important to have a particular idea in the mind that how many seats are available, and only that much of the entry fee or entry procedure must be allowed for spectators to enter in. Committees for officials. This committee selects officials such as referee, judges, umpires, etc. Announcement committee. This committee is responsible for making all the announcement during the period of sports event. Announcements होनी ज़रूरी होती है हर टूर्नामेंट में. तो कभी भी कोई भी हमारा इवेंट चल रहा है तो अगर अनाउंसमेंट नहीं होती है तो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को कैसे पता चलेगा कि उसका इवेंट है नेक्स्ट. तो दिस इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. नाउ फर्स्ट एड कमिटी. This is the most important committee. Why? Because sports. And when we think of sports, we know how thrilling, how physical work it needs, and when human body does a physical work, excessive physical work, it has chances to have injuries. So first aid kit is always first aid kit or say first aid committee is important in every tournament. This committee provides first aid to the victim or affected sports persons. Finance committee. फाइनेंस ही नहीं होगा, पैसे ही नहीं होंगे तो टूर्नामेंट होगा कैसे. तो फाइनेंस कमिटी इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर हेल्डिंग आउट द अमाउंट्स विच हियर द थिंग कम्स दैट प्लानिंग. दिस कमिटी प्लान्स how to spend money, where, when, and how to spend money wisely. This committee is related to financial management. It prepares the budget and maintains the account.